So, we're live. We are live. Let me check just a couple of things on the stream. Let me get rid of that screen. This is what we are going to build today. Let me check the quality of the stream. So let's see what we got. Is that sound okay? Let me put on some music as well. Let's check. Nice. So, let me just check this volume is a bit hard. All right, I'm currently going to build on continuing this crypto workflow. What we already had done in a different live stream was selected several sources that we are going to use. So for example, what you let me activate these nodes. What you will see here is we are calling the coin analysis API. If you're not familiar with coin analysis, this is coin analysis. They are offering a free API that we are going to use. Oh, well, let me just don't forget to post the link. We are live. Let me get the stream. We are going to let me do this. Building in public, yeah, right. All right, and then go to Twitter as well. You get. All right. We are live. All right, so that's done. So let's go back to the workflow and let's talk about it, what we are going to do. We are selecting several sources which we are going to use. So for this stream, it's not going to be a very long stream, but what we are going to build is an agent that's going to get a screenshot of a chart, and he is going to analyze the screenshot and make a judgment on the screenshot what the price will do. That's a bit maybe hard for now to explain, but that's what we are going to try to achieve. So this first part was coin analysis. Let me grab some water, just be right back. Right, we're back. So, for now, what we are going to achieve is the following. We are going to feed a couple of data points to the agent, and the agent will make a decision on what the price will going to do. So, for now, the data points that we are going to feed to the agent is the fear and greed index. That's over here. We are going to scrape with the new endpoint from Firecrawl some news, and going to let the agent decide if the news is necessary and has to be put in the context or not. Then what we are going to try to achieve is eventually to make one spreadsheet where all the analysis will be saved for each day, so we can take a look. For example, if we are analyzing the 50-minute chart, what the price did. So if the price went up or down after the analysis, so we can backtest like that. If the agent will do the correct analysis of or not. Oh, thanks, Sculty man. Yeah, appreciate it a lot. Trying to teach a bit about n8n. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so what we already did was we created a database to upload the results and the API calls. So we don't, I think I can show you, let's see, we already have 100 calls an hour or a day on coin analysis because it's free. So what we want to achieve is to save the results for all the markets that are available in a database. So let me see, I think I deleted the database, but we will create a new one. A self-hosted environment. So the nice thing about this is that we can just keep adding services. So let's look up, I'm just using Postgres in this case, but yeah, you can use Supabase as well. I have another, let me go to Supabase, another n8n agent over here as well. So I'm just using both, but for this tutorial I would wanted to use crypto. Wanted to use let me just create a password in a different screen. Wanted to use this Postgres. So let me see if it's created. Let's connect it again. It's currently being created. So let's look. Yeah, we are using SQL query to execute before the input to the database. So this is you can just all the LLM models, ChatGPT, Gemini, doesn't matter which one, are really great in generating SQL commands. Let's see if I can do this in here. Let me just grab it for a second and grab it. Let's see. Is the video quality okay? I think it's a bit too big. Let me just enlarge it. a little bit, so the screen will be a bit better. This will be better readable. Okay, let me just enter the credentials and I will be back in a second. I will activate that. User password. Host. All right. Let's see if okay, everything is connected. So what I just did was connect the database and yeah, the screen's okay. So what I just did was I connected the database, and when you connect the database, it will immediately test it, and then you will see that it's working currently. So here's the whole workflow. So let's just try to execute it. Let's see. Oh, no, I'm not. Let me grab my API key from here. API key. And copy it home. Go back to just add mine. Let me just save this one and close it. Create new. Let's see. I think it was API key in the header, in the name. So going. Yeah, I know what the problem is. I had a. I've put a backup back on from my server, so I've lost some credentials, but that shouldn't be an issue. So let's try it again and execute this step. This one is okay. Okay, nice. So over here, currently there are 3,500 items. Let's execute the function node. And then execute the Postgres to upload it to the database. Yeah, thank you, Mr. A. Great having you here, man. Let's see, relation future markers. Oh, okay. So what we will have to do is when you go to your Postgres database, you can activate on Easy Panel PG Web. And then when you open it, you will have this interface where you can just send in a query and you can generate your tables like that. So let me get the one I need. Postgres, I have it somewhere over here. And then I will, let me see if this is the correct one. Just grabbing mine. Okay. Is it? I need to find them. I will really have to save them somewhere. So let's see. Where are they? Okay, I will just try to do it live. So damn, come on. Mine computer's getting really slow now. Let me just close some stuff up. Okay, let's first start it up like that. Let me grab that screen so you can see. Okay, nice. Okay, so what I just did, I activated PG Web, this interface. So now we are going to need a query. So what we want is all these. We want them in the database to save them. So currently what I just did, I created a new database, so they aren't available now. So what we are going to do is to ask our friend ChatGPT to create them. I have these items I want to database. So let's see. So I'm just talking to ChatGPT like a user would do that isn't really familiar with Postgres, SQL. So just to show you how easy and how you can do it on your own. So let's see what will happen when we just execute the step now. And what the output will be. So we just got an error before. Okay, so let's just we got our first command. I'm acting like I'm not really familiar with SQL. This is my error now. So let's see. Okay, so let's try it again. Go to query and run query again. So future market symbols. Okay, so let's execute the step again and let's see what will happen. Success. So let's go back to future. Look over here, 3,544 items, and we pulled from the API 3,544 items. So what we just did, now we know which future markets are available on coin analysis. So this is the first step. This data is really important because we want to have data so we can use it in all our agents. Okay, so I'm generating some new future with the cursor as well in a different screen. But for now, let's see if this will work. Okay, let's try it with this tab as well. So what do you want? We want exchange data as well. So we just added our API key. So we're going to add our database. That's already done. So let's do it. Change the name. Add exchange data. All right. This was save objects as raw data. Right, and add to Postgres. Okay, let's try to do it without any adjustments to the database. Of course, before we can add the exchange data to the database, we have to create a new SQL command, but we are new users, so we are just going to press execute step because we bought this template. This is the main mistake people make when they just buy a template online and don't know anything about it. So I just made a print screen, and what we are going to do, we are going to create the new tables in our database. So I will need a new SQL command to create this table as well. So just paste in the command and let's see what will happen. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's grab it, go to our queries and run the query. All right, there are exchanges. So let's execute it again and success. So let's see, refresh, and here are all the exchanges. Cool, right? So we have 26 exchanges available on the API. So these are two data points that we are going to use very often. But what we have done now is that we don't need to make a new API call every time for just this simple data. So what we are going to do is to see what can we get from the API exchange we already got. We got the future markets. So yeah, I'm not really interested in spot market. Open interest, that's a pretty cool one. So let's go to this nice thing. We can just copy and paste and go to this one. Get open interest data like this. Let me see, where was this? Okay, so let me grab the endpoint and let's just try it like this. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so we will need to enter symbols. And what can we symbols? Okay, let's just do their example and let's see what. Okay, we did symbols. Let me just delete the last one. Symbols, all right, that's strange. Let's see if we can get from the open symbols on exchange symbol. Let's try it like this. Okay, it's not symbols. Convert USD. Okay, let's see if this will work. Turn it to an expression. No, not. And like this. No, okay. And when we turn this to an expression. No, okay. All right, let's go back to the API. Yeah, success. Symbol must be. Yeah, there's symbols. Symbols. Not sure why this isn't working. Oh wait, content type. We maybe have to add content type. Maybe we have to add content type application JSON. Like this, or they need, no, let's try it again. Send it as a header. Let's try it, send content type as a header. Try it again. Let's see if this will work. No, okay. This is not working as well. Okay. Let's check if we just okay, like this, and then okay. Let's get the open interest. Yeah, if we ask ChatGPT to make a C curl, we can just copy and paste it, and let's see. Yeah, that's already what we got. Yeah. That's a bit strange. Symbols is. Let's see what. Let's go to. Let's add HTTP request. Import circle. Let's. I already got that. Where's the symbols? Is it? Oh no, it's making. Okay, let's try. Oh no, let's. That's too bad. I just wanted it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So it needs to be in the URL, but that shouldn't be necessary, right? We can just send it. Symbols is. Doing is conversion. It's not required, right? Okay, we can just do it like this. Add open interest. So value update. That's the time. So we have to make a function node to. Okay. Write me a function node to convert this time to normal time. And just like this, we got a function node to convert the time. So function code and import. Let me check if it will. Nice. Readable time. So that's the readable time. Okay, so readable time. Let's go to coin analysis website and go to Bitcoin open interest. Let's see, 33 million. I'm just checking. Oh, wait. We had. I need to do it like this. I think that will be. That is the perp, and this is the. We need. This is the. Yeah. We need to find BTC perp. Let's see if which it will give open interest 1.6 perp. Oh. Let's check because I need to know which open interest is it showing. BTC perp A. Can I search for it on the site? No. Okay. Perp A. Ah, nice. Yeah, we could get open interest like this, and then the funding rate. So, for example, if the funding rate drops below a certain percentage, we can send us a trigger on Telegram to check the market. That's a pretty nifty little thing that we can just do right immediately and save the funding rate to our database. That's something we definitely are going to do. So let me see. Okay. Let's see, this is the item, that's not what we want. Let's try it like this. Okay. Oh, we got an invitation. Let's see if we can join. Just a sec, trying to join like this. Okay, let's see. So for now, okay, this was that. We got a timestamp. We need just to change one thing. Output the time to central a. Let's see. That's what we want. Nice. So this is good stuff. So what we just did was rebuild it. We have to delete that one. And now we are going to save the funding rate to the database. So like this, a value name is the symbol. So we can keep our own database with data. I'm really not sure the value, what the value is, how that's number double current funding rate percentage. Oh, wait. Update. Oh, wait. So. So the funding rate is this a, no, oh wait, funding, no, we were looking at the open interest. Current open, so let me see if I can try it again with this one, and then go to, what was it, MNT USDT. MNT USDT MNT USDT 6. All right, exchange 6. So let's check exchange 6. This right, go to 6 Bybit. Nice. So the open interest of this one, that's currently 9.6. Okay, so let's pull that data in, and just checking how it's been shown in the output. It's pretty important, so we can, yeah, look, the value is this, but what, yeah, on here we are on the Bybit chart. So Bybit is exchange 6, and this was on exchange 6, stable through MNT USDT. Is this the perp? Was I on the wrong one? Oh, market cap ratio, I need to grab a different indicator. Open interest, like this. Oh, nice, look. Open interest currently 29,036,000. So this is 80, let's see, yeah, yeah, not almost 90 million. So what's going on then? MNT USDT, this one, open interest. Oh wait, it's the open interest. Yeah, it's not. So 1 hour. Is there any delay in the data? So let me see. Is there any delay? No, it isn't. But why we got different data here? Let's check We got the time. Now it should be let me check another coin. Let me go for Ethereum. That would be symbol is it. I need to fix that later, but let me see. No, it's not working. Select column. So I'm going to delete a filter and let me see if there's like this will be easier to search. Let me get Ethereum. Ethereum, where are you? Okay, over here. So let's see. Is it hyper? Yeah, it's hyper liquid. So if I do like this, this is on Bybit, because Bybit was A, right? A is Binance. Okay, let's do Binance. Binance, open interest. So this is 47. Let me grab the open interest with the API. Okay, it's converted to USD. Let me see if we don't convert it. False. No, 18, 80 million. Okay, I'm not sure if this will work because we are getting not the correct data. Let me think about something where we could grab this same data. Interest is not. Oh wait, core margin. So let me check indicator open interest. I just want the 18. Oh wait, right. 8. Yeah. It is correct. Okay, never mind. I looked at the wrong. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, okay, this is good. What we are going to do is to set up a script where we are going to generate this data, and then let me see. Now we are going to enter the time like this. We want the time as well saved. So again, what we want, where's our chat screen? Over here. Make a SQL command I can use to add this table into my database. Just like that. All right, let's see where it is. Okay, we go to query and run it. Open interest, let's check it out. All right, so we got a small error. Let's just ask it if it's, because when we are appending it to the database, it already should work. So okay, let's see. I need to add this screen over here. Okay, let me try this query again. Okay, and now test it again. But found 6. Oh, and when I do it like this. Okay. And new yeah, I just copied the previous execute command from the other nodes, but that could give us some issues. I think that's the main problem we got and why it isn't working. So let's try to fix that and get a new one. Just like this. And execute step again, and it's through. Open interest. What we got. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, why it's not showing? It's empty. Okay. Oh wait, no. It added it to the wrong. Okay, let's try it again. We need to. Okay, then we need to add the query. Okay, let's see. Where was it? Over here. We need to change the query first. Run it. Yeah. This is the annoying part about working with the database and not having the correct knowledge about working with it, because now you will run into an error because we already have the open interest table, but we are trying to create it again. So the issue we got is this. And the easiest thing what we can do is just try to do it like this and just paste it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this will help. No records found. Okay, and then let's go and grab the new command, edit, execute step, and it's true. That's open it over here. Nice. As you can see, this is we just grabbed the L2C USD perp open interest that's currently sitting at 18 million.6, and we got 18 million.6. So this is really useful when open interest drops really hard. Yeah, that's something we would like to know. Okay, we are going to do the same thing with the funding rate. So what we are doing is just delete this, and over here we are going to grab the funding rate as well. Funding rate. All right, we will need this URL, and we are going to paste it in. Oh, let me just execute it like this because it's so annoying. Okay, symbols. Let's go for else. Yeah, it's okay. Do we have an USD false? No, for the funding rate we don't have it. So we have to rate value. We have to get rid of this. LTC. Let's. Oh, is like this. It's really bothering me that I can't do it like this. Send it as a body. That's really bothering me. But let me try it again and execute the step. Yeah. Let me just test one thing and no, okay, it's not working, so let's just delete it. We don't need to send the body, we can just do it like this. Okay, so value, time, we have to update the time to give us the time in our own area. So if you want to change this, you can just ask for your own time zone and you will get it in your own time zone. Now we are going to first create a new table for the funding rate. Progress database for the funding rate. Command please. Wait. Let me just grab it. Oh wait, I need to do it like this because we need that data. That's the converted data with the correct time. Let me check one thing. Got one great comment. Let's see. Something useful for digital marketing agencies. Scrape home about a product or services blog page and write personalized email copies with includes tips about the website. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty big workflow currently, man. I could try and let me just respond to him and then okay, so create table funding rate, yeah, and just paste it. If you're not familiar with PG Web, we have a self-hosted environment where we just created a new database. Yeah, you can grab anything you like. I think they even have Superbase. Yeah, they even have Superbase self-hosted. So if you are familiar with Superbase, you can use Superbase as well. But we are going for Postgres. We have our activated our PG Web, and this is the environment we're working. So we added a new table, the funding rates table, and now we are going to change this one as well. Let's see. Okay, this execute command already gave us success. So if we refresh it, we go to funding rates, and here is our funding rate. So let's see the funding rate. Do we have it? It's currently aggregated funding rate. Let's see, funding rate, what we got. Yeah, over here, look. It's in here, 0.0059. So what we got, 0.0059. Yeah, if you are a bit familiar with crypto and trading, the funding, what we can do now is add Telegram and then send a text message, enter your chat ID, and then enter a message when the funding rate of LTC drops below -0, send us a message. And this is, you can just set up your scheduled trigger to run every 50 minutes, and it will grab every 50 minutes this funding rate, or even do it every hour. And when the funding rate drops, it will always be sent to the database, but it will, when it drops, you have to do it like this. If value 1, let me see, this is number less than 0, it will be true, and we will get a Telegram message, just like that. And if it is false, it won't. So this is one small workflow that you can just do right now. But for now, this is not what we want. Let's see. Okay, it's already in the database like this. Let's see, go to the API. Predicted funding rate. Let's see the history. Oh, nice. This could be pretty cool. Let me grab a C curl and do it like this. Can you give me a C curl? This endpoint. Yeah. Okay, I just want to, I don't want to type it all in, so I just need it. Okay, oh, wait. And this was the, let's see, there was the opening first history. Okay, so get the history, and then let me grab the C curl. I just want the URL, just want this one, because I'm not sure why, but it's not working. Okay, so let's see what went wrong. Okay, check. I don't want this one. Let's see what will happen now. All right. Why don't we get anything? Let's check the endpoint. Open interest history, open interest. Oh, open interest history. Okay, that's correct. BTC symbols. 1 hour from required timestamp in seconds. That's a bit annoying. We need to use the timestamp in seconds. So to Let's check daily. 1 hour. Okay. Oh, get open the test history. Just want to, let me just, this is required, so. Okay. Let me check because I think there's an issue with the timestamp that's currently used. Says you need to, oh yeah. But when we are, let me try daily. Yeah, see, you can't, yeah, this was the issue. So, you can't make the from and the to you have to use the same timestamp in seconds. If you're, for example, doing 1 hour, you have to grab the timestamp in seconds from, for example, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And if you are just like we did in this example, using the timestamps from Friday 6 June to Saturday 7 June, so then you have to change the interval to daily because you're requesting daily. So this is what we got. What are we going to do with this? Let's see. Symbol and the array of objects, candlestick. All right. All right. We got an array of candlesticks. So let's see. We are local hosted, so of self-hosted. So what we can do is we can install math.lib to generate charts with this. Shall we do that in this stream or not? I'm not sure. No, I won't do that in this stream. No, I'm not going to create that script now, but let's see if there something chart, quick chart. What's this? I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with quick chart. Okay, let me just try to connect this one. Quick chart. So let's see if this will work. Data. Labels array. Story. Okay. I'm not. Yeah, I don't think that's what's necessary, but just testing something. And is this an array? No, it's not. Yeah, nice. Hey, where is my data? Okay, so now we just need to fix the data. So T, let me do it like this. O, oh, H, L, and C. All right, okay. Okay, we need to fix some things. Data set. Okay, we need to fix some of the data points. So this is the data, this is the time. If we remove the time, line chart, pie chart, a line chart, but it's not 80. Let me just do it like this. Okay, let me just enter it like this, and then the real data. Okay, so that's that. If we get this working, that would be a huge win, because I already prepped this one that we can get the data, I think, like this. And then we can start making charts, what we were trying to do over here. So I'll just show you. Going to crawl the charts and take screenshots of the charts from Bybit, Binance, Femex, all the other exchanges. So as you can see, just like this. And if you're familiar with the real OGs know what I mean with this chart. Let's see if it's already done. Okay, so let's go back to this one. Oh no, this labels, set it to this. Yeah, I'm not sure. Was it line chart? Okay, this is not what we want. This is not what we want. Open, high, low, close. Six. Okay, we can just create them manually. Okay, I think this is the correct way to generate the data points on the chart, but we need to fix the labels. Okay, manually add label, add label, add label. So open, high, low, and close. Why the data is shown like this? 8, 2, and then 83. Okay. Let's see if we have any options. Field label points timer. So we have the labels open, high, low, close, but I don't like it. That's okay. Then height. No, where was it? At option. So let's see, scroll and start. Option skills. No. The name of the output field to put the button. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Point style, circle. Okay. Label. No. Fill. No, this is not step size style. Yeah, this. Yeah, we could change the to bar chart and let's see what the result will be. Open, high, low, close. But it, how is high? High so low. 2. Skip step. Let's see. Ah, look. All right. Open, high, low, close. And now let's bring it to the line chart. View, nice. All right. So this is good. Now we got it. So this is the, okay. This is cool. This is pretty cool. Because what we will be able to do now, let's go to this liquidation. Yeah, but just this one. We are going to grab this and ask it a Firecrawl. So we will activate these steps. Go to this node. For now, do we want to save this data? Let's grab open interest history. So this is the daily. So what we could do, the only thing that we will maybe need, let me think about it, a set node. So like this, set, and this would be then the final part. How does this was the Unix timestamp in seconds. From and to, yeah, right. This is unit timestamp from, and this is to unit timestamp in seconds. Just like this. Then set timestamps. What we will be doing here, let me think about it. Could we just do something like data transformation? Get time between dates, format a date. And then do something like this, date. Can I do now? No, okay, that's not correct. Okay. Okay, format the date. Format the date, but we could do something like this when the trigger is run. Oh wait, no. No, I'm not. Date. Let me think about it, because I don't want to format date and time like this. Will this work? No. And I can, yeah, okay, that will work, okay. So this is the current. This is the current date. So what we could do is to set this to and generate the from 1 hour before. 1 hour 18, and then make a function node. So function node, let's see, this is 1 hour, so 1 hour, I just want to check how much data points we will get. Just delete all this stuff. Function node hyphen deformated date. How was it called? Unix stamp geeft van een uur eerder dan de input tijd. Okay, let's see, try again. Why isn't this working? Go. Okay, so this is the let's see if this will work. This would be one-shotted. 1 hour earlier daytime. let's just try it. So original timestamp. So this is and this is 1 hour earlier. So if we do it like this, delete. So from, oh, wait, I need to exit this. So this is the, let me do it like this. So from, we have to grab this, and then we have to set it to this. Execute. No, this won't work. Oh wait, I need to change this to 1 hour. Nice, look at this. It just worked. This is pretty cool, right? This is pretty cool. Now we got this data, the 1 hour data. So let's just do it, for example. And then we can just do this, right? View. Okay, so this is the 1 hour data. Okay, nice. Let's see if the seeker already is done. So let me grab it. This is the final thing we are doing in this stream. Like this, going analysis. No, we're not sending body. Let's just see what will happen. Nothing. All right. Yeah. Okay. Is it? Yeah, it's again daily. So when you're doing it like that, is it? Will this work daily? Yeah. Okay. Look. What was the output that we could get? Symbol and history. So what coin are we doing? Where is it? BTC. Just checking. Is this BTC? No, right? BTC perp A. Time. Open, high, low, close. But the what the frick? Just checking why this is outputting this data. This history, yeah. I think a lot of people will get a heart attack if the BTC price drops to 70k now, but this isn't correct, right? Let's see. Interval. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this isn't correct. The chart, I think I will be doing 4 hour, just to be sure that the 4 hour. This won't work because we need to adjust the timestamps. Geef me. Just to make the timestamp work. Okay, like this. From this to this. Okay, let's see if it will be the. Okay, this one. Let me try this. Same thing, yeah, same one I'm doing right now. Okay, let me just check it. Function note. That won't work. Okay, this won't work. This won't work. But why? Okay, so it looks like this. Yeah, we could turn this on, but it doesn't matter because there is no output. I think the timestamp is not correct. Let's see, we can just add. Just curious if this will work because now I see now. I just want to output the. Okay, so let's look if this will work. Put it in like this. API, and this is working. Ah, nice. Look, this is great. This is. It's so simple, but you just have to look up what ChatGPT is giving you. So I'm sorry for the Dutch parts in the chat, but what we got here is a function node that using the interval 4 hour and generating a new correct string, URL string. So let's do the same thing with this. Let me get the API for the, was it? For the, yeah, for this one. Make another one for this endpoint for 1 hour. And then we can just grab the and edit, delete this one. And have it like this. So what we could do, yeah, the symbol, we can change the symbol over here. We could make a list or something too, but for now it's okay. It's 1 hour. We can delete this one and just go to here, delete this one, fully enter and go. This was the open interest, yeah, right, okay. I think, I hope, yeah, this is working as well. So, okay, that's good. Then go to here, output, and try to do quick chart. Quick chart tool, what's that? Oh, nice. We could, no way. No, for now. We can let an AI agent do it for us, but we won't do that. It is the output. Okay, so we are going to do this for our quick chart. Let's see. Okay, add label. Now let's do it from an array. Enter it like this. And then the data should be open, high, low, close, volume by volume, total text. The data points on the side are not the correct one, right? Oh, I don't have that saved now. Okay, so yeah, I can't adjust the scale. Format. No, I need to, chart options, I want to adjust the scale, but I can't do it. I can't do it. No, I can't. Let me just grab this like this. Okay, for now. Okay. Okay, I think we will need to do some coding and scripting to fix this, because it's not possible to adjust. We can't adjust it. See if this will help. No, it's not helping at all. Execute. No. Data is. Let's see. Let me just try one more thing, because I think this could work, but let me just try one more thing. one more thing for all the people familiar with the Apple one more thing. Okay, let's check. No, no, in this case we won't be able to do it. I think. No, this we won't be able to do it in this instance. And oh, this is annoying. This is really annoying. Data is showed, so let me check. No. Delete this one. Okay, so okay, this is it for the stream today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you could come and check out the school community. There are almost 30 different templates that you can use and download. Pretty active, almost a daily news stream where you can ask all your questions. And for just $25 a month, you could join and download all the templates. Even a great outreach tool with 4 steps, videos explaining everything you need to know, self-host guides, Kokoro with the newest video we created, where you can see how to install it and how to use it, tested today with a very long voiceover that's generated. And of course, if you need video rendering, check out samautomation.org and start your video automation today. I think tomorrow we'll continue with this part where we will be able to take print screens of the charts. And let's see, we have this one here, and we are going to separate them for 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, and eventually split up all these data points into separate workflows where we will be able to run them and eventually create one big input system where all these data points come together. So if you are looking forward to that episode, check it out tomorrow. If you can't wait, just contact me on X, for example, if you have any questions about n8n or workflows. See ya and have a nice day. Bye bye.